Hi, it's Dave with Johnson RV, and today we are going to look at a 2014 Leisure Travel Unity. This one is a 2014. Good example of buying a nicer coach that has been test driven, if you will, or pre-owned, and they do such a nice job with the product and getting it up to speed. This one is the King bed, or the Split King, which has got great storage underneath. Here's the back. This one's got a dish up on top, so that's kind of nice. DirecTV dish, and here's that storage. So very wide storage, goes all the way over to the other side. So you got that, and super nice looking coach. Still see it's got all the shine on it, and let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so here you can see the inside. Super nice woodwork. Here, I'll give you a perspective. This is the door where you come in, and then you have your table for two right here, and then of course cabinetry and storage and a skylight up there, and a little corner kitchen. I love when they give you access to the little garbage up there when you're working in the kitchen. So 2-burner stove, and this is nice. The layout of this, tons of storage in here, and all positive locking cabinets. And there's your TV. So this TV pulls out from there, and yeah, that's kind of clever. So that, and then Split King. I love Split Kings for floor plan because you can lay here. You have the view out the window, and I have a Split King, and I many times fall asleep just looking out the window. And then your other here, but if you want, you can fill this gap in here, and this is all bed. So really nice floor plan. Just gobs of storage in here. This is your bathroom here. So you have the bathroom, and it's nice that they separate this. This has got a curved sliding door. And it's nice that they separate that from the shower, because you have a shower that's its own deal here. So you could have two people getting ready in the morning. But of course, you have a TV back here. So, yep, a good example. Pre-owned 2014 Leisure Travel Unity. And my name is Dave Roberts. If I can help you here, Johnson RV, give us a call. We are on Highway 26 at the base of Mount Hood in Sandy, Oregon. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later.